Hey, this is Lynkhart, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make some miniature books for your dolls using my homemade printables. First, print out the book covers. I have individual covers that can be resized to your preferred scale, as well as a PDF at 1/6 scale, suitable for Barbies, etc. Print these out on A4 paper at the highest quality for best results. Cut out each individual book, leaving a margin around the edges. For a glossy finish, carefully lay a strip of clear tape over the top and use your fingernail to smooth it out. This is optional, but it does make the books look much more realistic and it protects the paper quite well. Next, take a ruler and gently score along the edges of the spine with a blunt-ended tool. I'm using a dotting tool here, though a blunt needle or paintbrush handle work well too. This helps to make the creases much sharper and easier to fold. It actually looks better if you do this before adding the tape, but I forgot when I was recording this. Well done me. Once folded, apply double-sided tape to the flaps, but leave the spine. Take a strip of foam board, I'm using some that's 3mm thick, and line it up with the spine of the book. Unpeel the tape and gently press one flap down against the foam board, keeping the spine flush against the edge, then repeat for the other side. Finally, using a ruler and a sharp scalpel or craft knife, carefully cut out the book. And there you have it, one shiny new book. If you want to get fancy, you can try adding some metallic details before adding the glossy tape. I'm using Artesum metallic watercolours here, as they're highly pigmented and really lovely to use, although you could easily use gel pens or acrylic paint. If you want a book with working pages, cut up a few old notebooks, obsolete instruction manuals or checkbook stubs, and just do exactly the same thing. You can grab all these printables from my blog, listed below in the description. So far, I have a good selection of fantasy, sci-fi and general fiction, as well as a couple of romance novels and a series of pony books for the equestrians among us. I created them from my own photographs and art, and I've got plenty of ideas for more. They're completely free for personal use only, but under no circumstances are they to be sold or passed off as someone else's work. What other books would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these useful.